Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma ula pelaj paidbah ke sports scholarship scheme bala pynkup burom ru inong chop kibla yora ik takma ba phero rangkat ba ki coach kibai shim mentah second North East Olympic Games Arjar Puar kabala penlang ha ususo tham auditorium mentah ka sing thodiang kirang ba ki thaila kai ki don kamba shispa prangot kat ba sam sawngot ki coach bar kibai pat kibai don mentah hak jing la kai ba phero kibla sha pynkup burom ha Menteri Rangba ha bakran ha katai jelang ban pynkup burom Conrad ke sangma ula ong bakani ka scholarship program kalbala sedang mentah kasni kadai ka scholarship ba shisin shibnai ba dia kapisan sapa ai ki bank account ju girang ile akai ba kaching thumu jong kani kalong ba kinu kinu ki bayo takma ha kaching khun ha po North East ne kaching khun ki ba po kari India ka sarkar ka sa ajarap ba shisin kat ba ka scholarship ba shisin shibnai kalong ba kaching rap eki ba ka ba kila ban perkam ha kaching kam chuki.
We are here to celebrate each and every one of you. You have made all of us proud. And not just about the state and the government and your families. I think the people of the state are proud of what you have achieved. And it has not been easy for all of you to reach to this level. But it has been because of the sheer dedication and the hard work that each one of you has put at an individual level, be it the coaches, be it the association members, and most importantly, be it the athletes and the sports persons themselves. So hence, this is a moment to really thank you and to celebrate you and to congratulate each and every one of you for what you have achieved. As was mentioned, that this Northeast Olympics has been a really great experience for all of us. And it really was something that a lot of people did not expect and did not think that Northeast and the state of Meghalaya could actually organize a game like this. And from day one, we have been very clear in our minds that we really are here to raise the bar for all of us. We are here to raise the standards for all of us. And we want to show the rest of the world that Meghalaya can also do things which other people can do, and maybe we can do it even better. And that's why I'm very grateful and thankful to the sports department and the MSOA for the great work that they have done in order to be able to make these games a grand success. You know, there is a very big thinking behind everything that we're trying to do. And it starts off with a simple point which I keep mentioning in every meeting that I go, in every school function that I have, or in every place where I can speak to the youth. And that is that the youth is our greatest strength. And I don't mean to say it just as a form of a speech or a political stand that I have. When I say that the youth is our greatest strength, I mean it. And every step that I take and every point and every program that we do, all of this is leading towards this one particular thought in my mind, that if we are to unleash the energy and unleash the opportunities and the entire capacity of the youth, we must be able to channelize their energy. And it is the government's job and the government's policy making that will enable us to channelize your energy. From the month of January, every month you will be getting financial support from the government of Meghalaya. And that's how we would like to support you. And as you move along and as you get more medals at the national level, the amount will keep going up. Money may not be that big or that enough to make a huge difference, but at least it's an incentive for you to know that we are with you, that we want to support you, to let your family know that what you're doing as a sports, as your passion, is something that is giving you financial returns also, by not just winning a one-time medal or one-time financial support or a prize, but actually getting a scholarship where money will go every month into your account.